Kajabi 30-day free trial. That's what you're looking for, right? Well, I've got something even better. 30 days free, plus exclusive bonuses worth over $1,200, so let's dive in. As a Kajabi partner, I can offer you something that you won't get by signing up directly through their website. You see, normally you're going to get a 14-day free trial, but if you use my link in the description below, you will unlock a 30-day free trial. That's over double the time to test out Kajabi's full suite of tools, and it doesn't stop there. I'm also giving you full access to my Kajabi Jumpstart course, which walks you through setting up and launching your business, so you can hit the ground running in those first 30 days. Now, that course alone is worth $300, but it's yours for free with my link. Still not convinced? Well, let me sweeten the deal for you. You'll also get my premium Notion templates, including my Business Hub to manage everything in one place and the Finance Hub to track your income and expenses. Now, these templates are valued at over $900, but they're yours completely free. Now, I know what you're thinking. Why the extra goodies? Since it's an affiliate link, I do earn a small commission when you sign up, but here's the best part. There's no extra cost to you, so it's a win-win. Now, let me show you how to claim all of this. First, you're going to click on the link in the description, and it's going to take you to a separate page. And you can see the Start Your Trial, and you won't be charged until after the 30-day free trial is over. To choose your plan, scroll down to the Sign Up section, and you can start with a Kickstarter plan, or you can upgrade to one of the more advanced ones. Just select the plan that you want, and the price will update. Now for me, the Kickstarter plan isn't enough, so I'll pick the basic plan. And let me explain the pricing plans a little bit. So as you can see on the pricing page, the first plan is the Kickstarter, and it's $69 a month if you're paying monthly. Of course, you can always save 20% by choosing the pay yearly. Now, like I said, the Kickstarter plan is $69 a month, and to be honest, the price is very good compared to what you get. But this plan is only for people starting out slowly because they only allow one product and one funnel. Now for me, I have more than 5 products already, and even the basic plan is not enough. That's why I'm in the growth plan, as you can see on the screen. But for most of you, the basic plan is also good. On the basic plan, you have up to 3 products. So let's say that you want to build a community and sell a course and then do a coaching program. Now, in this case, the basic plan is okay. And if you have created another course or another coaching program, you can always upgrade to the growth plan if you need to. However, if you only need one product, whether it's a course you are selling or a coaching program you are offering or a community you want to build, then the Kickstarter plan might be okay with you. Now, let's get back to our special page to complete the registration. Now, once you've chosen, you can sign up with your Google account or by entering your name and email, then click Get Started. Next, you're going to be taken to a second page to complete your registration. And here, you can choose between paying monthly or yearly. The price that you see is for the monthly plan, but if you switch to the annual option, you're going to save an extra 20%, and you can even see how much you've saved. Your name and email will already be filled in, so all you need to do is create a password and confirm it, then enter your payment details. Now, remember, you're signing up for the 30-day free trial, so you won't be charged until the trial period is over. If you hover over this icon, it will confirm this. No charges for the first 30 days, whether you choose monthly or yearly. And if you decide to cancel before the trial period ends, it's super easy to do that as well. Now, once you've entered everything, go ahead and click Start Free Trial, and your new Kajabi account will be created. And here's the dashboard of a new account that I made just a few days ago to show you around. Now, because you signed up using my link, Kajabi will email you with the other offers, including my full Kajabi course and the Notion templates. As a Kajabi partner, I've set this up automatically, so once you sign up, be sure to check your email for that message. And make sure that you're checking all of your folders, and if you don't see it, feel free to reach out to me and I'll help you out. And that's it. In just a few clicks, you'll be on your way to launching your online business with the full power of Kajabi behind you. And with all the tools and resources that I've thrown in, you'll be well ahead of the competition. So if you found this video helpful, hit the like button, subscribe for more tutorials, and drop any questions in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you, and I'll see you in the next video.